Hi, this is Amy. Come from the Chartino.com. And tonight I try to explain some simple suggestion for the decoupage beginner. Okay, how to decoupage on the wood. And for the beginner, I try to show them simple as possible. Okay, let's say this as a wood plate. I did for just wall decoration. So for beginner, get any surface, try wood surface. And you must sand it. Sand it to make sure the surface is smooth. And then you use our plate in our clay color as something like this. And for the beginner, remember it. If you want to decoupage with rice paper or napkin, you must give the base. This is called base. The base is white or light color. Okay, and then when you paint it the color, apply the color, and then let them dry. See, let's see this one. I dry, and then I choose the napkin. Choose a napkin. Normally, napkin, now in my store, the napkin normally is 3-layer apply. I bet you know that. So you just from the corner, then you peel off, there have a 3 apply. See, if you can see it, clear, okay? And for decoupage, people just use the top, the image one, okay? And then let's see, I tear off this 2-layer, and then I left over this top of image layer. And let's say like this, okay, this top, I use this napkin. And for the beginner, you can choose some pattern, small flower pattern, or easy one going. The reason you need practice, because this napkin is very soft. And when you use it, from beginning, you don't know how strong your hand or you need practice, okay? And I suggest you get some small flowers, small stuff. Let's say you can use the eggs to decorate. Go to dollar store or something, or like me, just get something like little pieces and try it, okay? And let's see this one. And for the glue, just now I try to find the glue I use. Okay, normally I use modpodge, and I use this emerald glue. And modpodge, you can get from the local store, craft store, or Michael's. Michael's is guaranteed you can find it. Home Depot, Michael's, or Dollar Tree, they have this kind of stuff. And you just going to read it carefully, and because modpodge, they have all kind of fancy stuff. Like this one. This one is glowing in the dark, means shiny in the dark. And this one is for dishwasher. Normally you use ceramic or this glasses, okay? And for currently, people hot about this gesso. It's called gesso. And anyway, doesn't matter what kind of glue you use, must use a clear effect. Clear effect, you need to read the part. Because just open the stuff, you can't really see it. It's clear or have a white color. It's hard to. And for me, in the beginning, the first year I do this decoupage, I almost confused. I'm scary, confused. Because their read is clear effect, and then when I open, it's inside it looks like a milking white stuff. But don't get confused. Clear means when they're finished, they have no white color cover your page. When they're finished, just like this. So more than this kind of glue, they almost as a glue and a seal 2-in-1. So you will be very easily get this kind of glue. So go ahead, try it, okay? And the brush, I suggest use the flat one. Some people like this kind of sponge. Some like brush. I like brush. I personally like a brush because brush, have like kind of a stretchable feeling, so I can push harder. And when you pan this, when you want to glue this napkin, remember one thing: push the water out. One way going. Don't like this. Then will be two brush. You will be breaking everything and then smash everything. So very carefully. And even you can use some like a little bit glue on it first, and then put on the napkin. Put it on, and then use like this. Push out one way push out, lightly, slightly push out one way. Okay, one way push out like this. Okay, and then don't push too much, just let it flat. Push the water out or push the glue out. Don't let them have a bubble. And let's dry. Don't do too much. Do too much, the napkin cannot lasting. They will be smashed. Okay, I think this is very short video, and I will do detail and how to working on the wood surface, how to working on the glasses surface. If you're interested about it, please follow me. Okay, have a good night. Bye bye.